Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name is chakits.k and I'm with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas, in the southwest Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15. Now, right across the street here, you can see all this dirt being slated right now for a total of 91 homes. So we have 4 different floor plans to choose from here. Okay, this is by Pulte. Now, Pulte has merged with American West Homes. So today we're going to be exploring this new community by Pulte, which is the Hayford Collection. I don't know why I always say that. It's actually Hayford Collection. This is the Cameron model that we're going to be touring today. This is actually a single story. This elevation that you see right here in front of me is elevation B. You have 3 different elevations to choose from. Elevation A has more of a pitch roof, and elevation C has more of a straight lines. Now, with elevation B here, you do have 3 different exteriors as far as the stone work to choose from, depending on the lot that you do pick. Lot releases will start on Monday. Now, they are only going to release 4 lots at a time. I asked the sales rep, how are they going to do it? Basically, they said they're trying to do it where it's first come, first serve. So let's take a look at this. So with this model here, you're going to get some landscaping in the front. Typically, it's going to be a desert landscaping. However, you're not going to get this type of landscaping. It's going to be minimized as far as rocks and stuff like that. And we have the 2-car garage here, as you can see. Now, a lot of you guys are probably going to ask me, well, how are they going to drive through? Well, this is just a model home, folks. They're going to have that as pavers. All right, so let's get inside. Let's see what this is all about. So this is a single story, which is the Cameron model. It is 2,180 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. So let's take a look on the outside here. So outside exterior, we have the skip trawl on the texture here. Okay, and you have a nice front 8-foot door. This door right here is a upgrade on the door here. All right, folks, we are back. They just unlocked the door. Nice and cool in here. At the end of the day, it's all good because it was on accident. Okay, so I'm going to just take you guys straight back here so that way you guys can see the exact open floor plan that we have here. Nice and open. Then we're going to make our way around. Start back from the beginning here. Kind of threw off my mojo, so apologize about that. All right, let's start back in the front here. So as we enter here, you do have a little fixture here. Okay. We're going to start off on this side. On this side right here, we actually have the 2 bedrooms, okay? So right here, here's the first bedroom. Now this first bedroom that you see is right off the front of the home. This is 11 by 11, which is a pretty decent size. Did I just say decent size? You big dum-dum. Decent size. Also right now in Vegas, it is mandated indoors that you wear a mask. So you do have a orange peel texture with a light texture and a 1/2 inch on the bull nose. So on this one's a little bit standard. You do have the Traverse LED lights here versus the can lighting. So a lot of builders are starting to move off to the Traverse lights. What's great about the Traverse LED lights, basically once they go dead, you just twist this whole thing and you just drop it, okay? Now it looks like on this build we do have a transfer grill right there, okay? You do have an option to do an 8-foot door. Standard, you do have 9-foot ceilings on this build. Right off to the right is our bathroom. With the bathroom options here, what you're going to get for the countertops is called culture marble. Then the vendors is the Moen fixtures that you're going to get, but you're not going to get these gold ones here. That's going to be an upgrade. You just get the standard brushed nickel, 4-piece fiberglass, and it's surrounded by the cultural marble again. Okay. You do have a right to do the upgrade 36 inches on the vanity here versus the 30 inch. I think it's money well spent. Also with the double sinks too as well. Property does come with these rocker switches. What do we have here? Now, the rooms are going to come with carpet, the standard carpet. And in the wet areas, you're going to get the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Again, this room right here is the 11 by 11. It pretty much mirrors the other room. All right, let's go back here. So this one has a total of 3 bedrooms and a flex, okay? The laundry room, washer and dryer are not included. This one has a 36-inch cabinet, actually a 42 cabinet on the top here. This is a gas dryer. See what we have here. See if they got a Smurf tube. I can't really see it, so we're gonna have to scratch that. So hang tight and bear with me here. Also, real quick, I just wanted to mention the schools around this area and what's going on. Ooh, this is probably the superintendent's office. Let's take a quick peek. Yes, this is a true 2-car garage, which is really nice. Okay. Just real quick about the neighborhood and the community here. We are less than 15 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. It is not far. Got some damage here. That could definitely be fixed. Okay. HOAs here are going to be about $50, $55 a month. Not bad. Now right here, this is actually a flex space. And you see this built out right here? You do have an option to build this out here. I think that's a better look versus keeping it open. Let me know in the comments below. Typically, all this right here is going to be all carpet. Okay. Home does come wired with Cat 6, only in the owner suite and also the gathering room. Now, this room right here, the flex space, is 13 by 13, which is a pretty decent size here. However, a couple of the upgrades that you're going to have to do is if you want to do your chandelier, your pendant lighting, or your pre-wire, and your surround sound, and also your 4-can lighting, okay? You do have the option from different paint color schemes. Now, what I like about the merger with American West Homes and Pulte now is that this floor plan is the American West floor plan, but before you didn't have that many options, but now with Pulte coming in, as far as the design studio upgrades and options, you do have a lot of those selections that you can definitely pick from. So again, we have 9-foot ceilings here, and you're going to have carpet all in the gathering room. Now you'll have the tile, the 18 by 18 porcelain tile in the wet areas, which includes this kitchen. Now, the way that this kitchen sits right here with this beautiful quartz countertops, okay, this is actually a level 7 on the quartz countertops here. And then you see this peninsula, okay? All this right here is an additional upgrade, okay? Typically what you will get is you will get your cabinets to go right here on the island, okay? And what you will also get too is granite. And you'll have 2 different granite selections that you can actually pick from, okay? Also, your cabinets are going to end right about here. So all this would definitely be an upgrade. You're going to have a standard stove. This is a 36 cook countertop. That would also be an upgrade too as well. One of the upgrades with this builder is you'll be able to have that pot filler. Okay, now I want you to take a look at this. You have 30-inch cabinets because this ceiling is only 9 feet tall. They had to do a double stack with a 6-inch crown to give that full customization look because you can't do a 42 because they don't have to make another cabinet that actually fits that. So that's the reason why they did this conversion here. Also, another thing right here is that you got the 3 pendant lighting. That was an option during the time. So you can pre-wire for that and get that too as well, which is, I think, is pretty cool. I want to go back to the communities real quick as far as the schools. You got Rise Elementary School, Turkania Middle School, and also Desert Oasis High School. Okay. This waterfall right here, this would have been an option. Now let's take a look here. You have this stain resistant, looks like a Blanca sink. Okay. Pretty nice. All right. Let's go around this way here. Let's see what else we have. Gonna walk all the way around here. Nice backsplash. Let's take a look at the cabinets. These are the Artistocraft cabinets. These ones are actually just standard right here with the side staples with the side glides here. Okay. Now another option and upgrades that you can actually do here with this package right here with this double stack, you do have the oven and also the convection microwave. This is actually Whirlpool appliances, so that's what you'll get with this build. Now the other thing I want you to do is let's take a look. Does this actually exhaust out? Yes, it does. Okay. Now this system right here is actually connected to Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at your pantry. Not bad with the pantry. Okay. The refrigerator, you do have the option if you want to do the built-in or not. Okay. Like I mentioned before, the gathering room right here, you do have the Cat 6. That's also an option too as well. Okay. Now a couple things with this back here. You do have an option. You can do a 12-foot slide. You also have that 6-foot slide right here. You have a right to do a covered patio. I think that covered patio is 15 by 12, so that's a pretty decent size here. Now the gathering room is 15 by 22, so it gives you a pretty perspective of how big this is. Now this bar right here, typically none of this would be here, so you have an option to do the pre-built, pre-wire for your electrical right here. Now let's take a look. What do we have here? So we have our linen closet. Now this is going to take us into the primary or the owner suite. Now the owner suite here is going to be 15 by 15, which is also not bad of a size here. Okay. You will have your Cat 6 pre-wire, but you won't have your Smurf tube. That would be a upgrade in the option. Now on this spec right here, it looks like on the owner suite, they got the jumper duct, which is really nice. So this is just a return line that takes you right into the return for your air conditioning unit. Now let's make our way into the bathroom here. So bathroom, we have the same cabinets, 36. Now the counters on here, as you can see, these are actually 6 inches standard on the backsplash. And this is actually a nice material as far as a culture marble. It is very nice and smooth. However, this one needs to be resanded because with the culture marble here, it's like a matte finish, very smooth. But when you purchase this, make sure to take your hand and rub it. You're going to feel these bumps. All this needs to be buffed out. Now, a couple options that you can do in the bathroom here. You can literally do a zero threshold shower. And with a zero threshold shower, you'll have, instead of a pan, you'll actually have tile, which is really nice. All right. Coming into the closet here. Pretty much standard in the closet. Okay. Let's take a look at this shower here. Now you can see the trim on this glass. It's the very dark, it's black, right? The standard would just be the chrome. Now these are just like 1/4 inches. These things are not that sturdy. I mean, you can just see like how like loose this thing is. I would go thicker if you could. You got your fiberglass tub, which is the max on here. Okay. Now, if you guys are interested in this property, when you guys head over to the sales office, just go ahead and speak to Scott. Look for Scott. He's my go-to guy. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button. Other than that, until next time, I'm chakits.k with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.